Okay, I'm going to explain you how we can bind the same receiver on two different models. In the usual situation using NX8, this is not possible. So let's see how we can do this, right? So right now I have one model and it is already bounded to this one. It is called Sandun. You can see by the orange line. But if you really need to bind the receiver to another profile or another model, what you can do is you can go to system setup and let's disable this one. Okay, then you can select the model, right? Let's say first it was on Sandun. Let's say put MATLAB, right? So uh, what the change that you need to do is in the frame rate, and you go to this thing and you go to next, and you have to override the model match ID. So can you see ID is 4, right? So I have 4 for both MATLAB and Sandun. So here, as you can see, I can change this number, right? So 4 I have it you can see uh, by changing this one what IDs corresponds to which one, right? So what you need to do is you put the same for both both the models. If I go back now, you can see that it is being bounded to MATLAB as well. But if I change my profile now, we go back to the system setup and change the model select, and I'm now going back to Sandhu. Okay, once I go back there, and if I go back again, you can see that it is still having the same link with Sandhu. So it means that it is compatible with both. So if I go back to the system setup and observe the frame rate option, what had happened is I already set up the same ID on both these profiles. So can you see, now I have 4 on both. This will be some other number by default, that's why cannot be bounded. It's actually a safety feature to avoid flying flying in a different profile or something like that. Might be dangerous, but in this case I have both the profiles working with the same receiver. Sometimes you might need to do that. So this is how it is done. Thank you.